Do you know that Holy Quran is the complete guidance for all human mankind? It is crucial to not only read but truly understand the Quran to enjoy a great experience in this world and the hereafter. Are you ready to start learning Quranic Arabic language? Let's start, inshallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khayr. Allahumma allimna ma yanfa'una wanfa'na bima 'allamtana wa zidna ilma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. One humble request before we start. Al-Qur'an Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and Education Institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance will be greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. Let's start, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we have learnt about types of subject or mubtada in Jumlatul Ismiya in our last lesson. Today we are going to study lesson 8 of module 2 and the topic is Masdar or verbal noun, inshallah. The term Masdar in Arabic means source or origin, and it refers to a verbal noun or gerund. A masdar represents the idea or a concept of the verb without specifying the tense or the subject. It's a kind of ism. But how is it an idea or a concept? Ideas are expressed by using the word to. For example, to submit. Here, the action has not taken place. It's still an idea, to submit. Another way of saying an idea is with ing. For example, submitting, the idea of submitting. Has it been submitted or will it be submitted? There is no indication there. But still, until it happens, it's an idea or a concept. Another way of saying an idea is with ION at the end. For example, the idea of submission. Again, the action has not taken place or no idea whether it will take place. But it is still an idea, a concept which has not happened yet. Idea means things you have names for but no action has taken place. More example, education, Islam, patience, thoughts, happiness, anger, recitation, driving. Apart from those, the words ending with tion is also an idea. For example, fraction, rotation, reflection, addition, multiplication. Another kind of ideas are words ending with ing. For example, sleeping, swimming, eating, reading, writing, working, etc. An Arabic verb contains 3 pieces of information. For example, fataha. Here the action is he opened. The actor is he. He is the doer. And finally, the time information. For example, present, past or future. So how is a masdar different from a verb? Masdar is the verb minus the tense and the subject, doer. The masdar verbal noun is a noun which originates from the verb. It contains the action and has no actor or time information. Few points to remember about masdar. Since masdar is a noun, it will decline like a noun. It will change its i'rab. Number 2, it gets the tanween when it is indefinite noun or nakira. Number 3, it gets the definite article al when it is definite marifa. Number 4, it describes an action without a tense, time information, and without a doer. Please remember, there are 10 most commonly used verb forms from form 1 to form 10. Only in form 1 verbs, which is trilateral root verb, Masdar has got 15 different patterns. But form 2 to form 10 has got only one pattern. You do not need to memorize all the 15 patterns of the Masdar in form 1. You just need to know them. They will look different with different patterns. But the Masdar pattern of form 2 to form 10, you have to memorize, inshallah. We shall discuss this in another chapter in details. Let us have an idea of form 1 verb and its different patterns of Masdar. On the right hand side, you can see there are 15 types of patterns of Masdar. Do you have to know all of them? No. Just look at the Masdar of all these patterns. Nasrun, Darsun, Zikrun, Kizbun, Kafrun, Hukmun, Farahun, Talabun, Kazibun, La'ibun, Hudan, Sur'iyun, Khurujun, Fu'ulun, Nikahun, Siyamun, Rahmatun, Shakwa, Zikra, Ruj'a, Nasyanun, Ghufranun, Ibadatun. Can you see they all look different? So just bear in mind that they will appear in any of these 15 patterns, but do not worry. Inshallah, you will be able to identify them as Masdar. Please pay attention. Masdar in Arabic is a verbal noun and it can play various roles in a sentence, depending on its context and usage. Some of the roles that a Masdar can play includes the following. Remember, most of the following examples, they might be originally a word of Masdar. Then, according to the context, it takes its different role. A Mubtada can be a Masdar first. A Khabar may be a Masdar first, then it became Khabar. A Maf'ul bihi could be a Masdar first. Shibul Fail could be a Masdar as well. Mudaf ilayh could be a Masdar first, then it became Mudaf ilayh. Ismul Hal could be a Masdar first, then it will play the role of a Hal. Tamiz, in the same way, it could be a Masdar first, then became Tamiz. Because of these consequences, finding direct examples for the Masdar in Quran for all the above roles is challenging due to the intricate nature of Quranic Arabic. Some roles might not be explicitly present in the Quran or might overlap with other grammatical roles. Alhamdulillah. So let's just look at few examples how Mubtada, Khabar, Maf'ul bihi, etc. can also be a Masdar first, then take a new role as one of these terms. Mubtada, the beginning or the subject of a nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya. For example, As-safaru muta'atun. As-safaru, traveling, is a pleasure. Muta'atun. Here, as-safaru, traveling, is a Masdar and acts as the Mubtada here. MashaAllah. Khabar, the predicate of a nominal sentence. For example, Al-afdalu samtu. Al-afdalu, the best thing, is silence. As-samtu. Here, as-samtu, silence, is a Masdar and acts here as the Khabar. MashaAllah. Maf'ul bihi, the object of a verb. For example, Uhibbul qira'ata. I love reading. Here, al-qira'ata, reading, is a Masdar, but plays the role of the object of the verb uhibbu. Shibu fail. This means like a verb. It's a function wherein the Masdar takes on a verb-like role in a sentence, often when combined with prepositions like fi, in. Fil kitabati, in writing. Here, al-kitabati, writing, is the Masdar for the verb kataba, he wrote. When combined with fi, it becomes in writing, which acts like the action of writing in the context of the sentence. Ana zayyidu fil kitabat, I am good in writing. Mudaf ilay, the Masdar can also be in a genitive construction. For example, zamanus safari, the time of traveling. Here, as-safari is a Masdar and is the second part of an idafa construction. Hal. This describes the circumstances in which an action occurs. For example, لقيته وهو في حالة البكاء. I met him while he was in a state of crying. Al-Bukai is a masdar first, then it is playing the role of hal by describing the state of action. Finally, tamiz. Tamiz is used for specification or clarification. Example, ذهبت مسافة ميل. I traveled a distance of a mile. Here, masafata is a masdar used for clarification. Masdar acting like a shibu fail. Masdar may occasionally play the role of a shibu fail, which translates to like a verb or resembling a verb. Li ilafi Quraysh. Ilafihim rihlata shita'i was-saif. We have destroyed the companions of elephant for the convenience of Quraysh, so that the Quraysh can travel during winter and summer safely. Here, ilafi of ilafihim is playing the role of a shibu fail, acting like a verb. Masdar also can act as sifat. A masdar or verbal noun primarily functions to express the meaning of the verb in noun form. However, it can also sometimes function as a sifat, an adjective, particularly when it describes a quality or state of being. Examples from the Quran. Siraja wahaja. The word wahaja is a masdar from the root wahaja, which means to blaze or shine brightly. Here it functions as a sifat describing the noun siraja, meaning a lamp or a light. So it conveys the meaning of a blazing lamp or a brightly shining lamp. Next example, Qamaran munira. The word munira is a masdar from the root nawara, meaning to give light or to illuminate. It acts as sifat describing the noun kamara, which means moon. So it translates to an illuminating moon or a luminous moon. Now, one of the most important terminology we are going to discuss and understand properly, inshallah. Masdar Muwaal. Just to recap, masdar is an idea or a concept. For example, to go, to read, to eat, to sit, going, reading, eating, sitting. To reveal or revelation, to submit or submission. All the above are called infinite verbs or masdar. So what is masdar muawwal then? The term masdar muawwal is a grammatical term used to describe a phrase that functions as a verbal noun, masdar. Rules of masdar muawwal. The masdar muawwal is formed by the particle an plus a mudari verb in subjuncting mood or mansub state. This structure serves to nominalize a clause, effectively turning it into a noun phrase. For example, an yakhruja, an yadhhaba. The mudari verb yakhruju has become yakhruja because of an masdariya, which makes the mudari verb into mansub. An yadhhaba. The mudari verb yadhhabu has become yadhhaba because of an, which makes the mudari verb into mansub, which converts the mudari verb from marfu into mansub. So how does it work? So what's the structure of masdar muawwal? It will be an plus a mudari verb in mansub form to make it masdar muawwal. We shall look at some examples of masdar muawwal, inshallah. Uridu an akhruja min al-bayt. I want to go out of the house. An akhruja, to go out. I love to read the Quran. Uhibbu, I love. An akra'a, to read Al-Quran. Akra'u has become akra'a because of an. Uridu an adhaba hunaka. I want to go there. Uridu, I want. An adhaba, to go, hunaka, there. Yuhibbu ayyakula samaka. Yuhibbu, he loves. An yakula, to eat. Yakulu has become yakula because of an. Al-mudarrisu ya'murukum an tadrusu. The teacher orders you an tadrusu, to study. La yuridun nasu ayyamutu. La yuridun nasu. People don't want to do what? An ya'mutu, to die. People don't want to die. Uridu an af'ala al-amala. Uridu, I want. An afala. Afalu has become afala due to an. I want to do the task. Alhamdulillah, we have just concluded the chapter called Masdar or verbal noun. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please repeat watching this video a few more times and study the PDF file together. For reference, you may visit our over 60 YouTube video series for Module 1. One request before you go. Al-Qur'an Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and Educational Institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, and most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. آمين يا رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.
We run Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 courses for beginners to advanced level Quranic Arabic students. To find out more how to join our online live classes, visit our website and register. Our website address is www.alquraninstitute.net. You can also join our most exciting online e-learning course in Quranic Arabic. No hustle, no rush. Study at your own pace and convenience. Our comprehensive Quranic Arabic Module 1 and Module 2 courses are available online, allowing you to complete the course on your own schedule. This self-study course offers a rich experience with PDF resources, YouTube video series, and question and answer assessment. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certificate directly from the e-learning platform of Al-Qur'an Institute. For more details, visit www.alquraninstitute.net. Alhamdulillah, your journey in Quranic Arabic starts here.